Hi everybody, it's Reina with Soul TI and I want to show you my amazing gel. It's the Eco Professional Style with coconut oil. I love this product. I have frizzy wavy hair. So sometimes I want to experiment different hairstyle, and with this product it's so easy for me to change my style and leave my hair looking so shine and also moisturized and it doesn't damage it. I love the coconut oil. It smells delicious and also help me to hold my hair in place for a long time and feeling so moisturized. I love this product because it's like having a salon quality hair product right at your fingertips whenever you need it. So for me, it's the perfect gel. I always have this in my house. I love it, and that is my point of view.